Anthony Bilyeu, and I'm the CAD teacher at SOTC in Ardmore. And I'm going to show you my classroom and some of the safety issues. Well, being a CAD classroom, we do drawings, and so that means we are on the computer about 99% of the time. So there's not too many safety concerns within our classroom here. But we do the plans for the construction house, which is right here. This is last year's construction house. So we do try to go down to construction to check on progress, and so that means we have to be aware of their safety hazards. We are required to wear safety glasses when we're down there. So, but here within the classroom, one of our safety concerns is our aisleways here. We have to not only keep enough space for walking, but we have to keep our cords secured to avoid tripping hazards. And these are secured with zip ties, but as you can see right here, I've got one that's come loose. I believe that with a different setup, this could be avoided, and that's something I'm trying to change, hopefully for next year. But the main concern we have is our 3D printer, which is right there. And what this does, we have a 3D drawing, and we send it to the 3D printer, and it prints it out. For instance, I have some houses here that we have done. This is actually the construction house from last year. And so what this machine does, it has two types of material. There's the model material, which is this white here, and it has support material, which is this black. And what it does, as it's printing the model material, it surrounds the model with the support material. And the support material, once the part is done, the part has to soak in a chemical bath for so many hours, and that support material dissolves away. So, in order to make the part, the material has to heat up. And so this machine reaches well over 200 degrees. But the good thing about this machine is while it is printing, this door is locked. You can't open it unless you pause it. And if you pause it, it's still very hot on the inside. So just to avoid any kind of safety accidents, I'm the only one who really runs this. The students can watch this print, but I'm the only one who takes the pieces out when they're done or runs the machine. But like I said, the part has to soak in a chemical bath to dissolve the support material away. This chemical bath is not in the classroom. It's actually across the hall in graphic design, just because they have a sink and we don't. And that's something I hope to change within the next few years. But that also is something that I only use, not the students, just to avoid any kind of incident. And I have to wear safety goggles, gloves, and an apron while operating that. The chemical is not too hazardous, but it's still a chemical, and we need to be aware of any accidents. So that is really about it in my classroom. Like I said, we do go to construction. Sometimes we go to welding if they're working on a project, and I'm hoping to maybe visit some construction sites within the area. So thank you very much.